This is a guided relaxation in nature about enjoying and celebrating life. I invite you to join us by looking out at a scene in nature or simply following along in this video. So let's begin by taking a deep breath, inviting the breath to soften and to be a little fuller in this moment. Here it's summer, and the garden is full of life. It's full of color and sounds. In the summer, I find it's so easy to be busy, to be running around from one fun activity to the next. When we look at our own lives, are we slowing down enough to fully enjoy living? Are we able to appreciate all of the good things that we have? The next time that you're laughing, I invite you to slow down and to notice your laughter. To invite your laughter, the feeling, to fill your belly and to fill your heart. And the next time you see a beautiful sunset or a beautiful flower, take an extra minute to really drink in the beauty. And the next time you accomplish something that's really important to you, acknowledge it. Call a good friend. Make a special meal for yourself. Do something special for yourself. So as we look out at our lives today, the invitation is to notice the beauty and the gifts. And the invitation is to celebrate ourselves, our lives, our well-being, our friends and family, our creativity. I wish you so much wonder and magic, and I wish you the time and the presence to fully enjoy it. May you have a beautiful day. Many blessings.